I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot-tarians. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Interior Mod, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know that was a test.
He's got the Cosmic Generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase the error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so bad?
through the jump point.
What?
Look, there are only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Easy, K.
Wait!
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was King, now there is Toast. This plan is making me slow.
And we get our power back. This plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? We're still on it? What did I just say?
I didn't have to punch any babies this time.
I still might. Who knows?
Are you excited, Zach? Good, because I am too.
But are you ready?
For what? That's what I just asked you. That's what I just asked you.
So here's the time and
With automatic gate open, step into the Star Jumper complex. Look down on the platform and push up when instructed to do so. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the Star Jumper at all Permanezca sentado con las manos, los brazos, los pies y las piernas dentro del Star Jumper en todo momento y supervise a sus pequeñitos.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. And we're likely doomed.
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're back.
Heroes. Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
city.
Welcome back to Epcot. Please gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper.
Your life is complete. Oh, I heard you screaming.
That was all Clara.
Oh.
We lost it. Okay, you know at the beginning, as soon as we turn straight, there's this like orange dot on the wall.
Maybe.
That's where the flag is.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think I looked at it. It's straight ahead.